Hello everyone, I'm Todd Spatafor, and today we've got another Windows 10 Insider Preview build. This is build 20241. In this build are two main changes. The first is introducing theme-aware splash screens for apps. The second is a change to defrag. The first change, theme-aware splash screens, watch as I launch settings. See the black background with the icon in the middle? Let me try that one more time and I'll slow it down so you can see it. There. If I go to personalization and colors, and I change my theme from dark to light, and now I close the settings, when I reopen it, it'll be white instead of black. You can see here. That's the first change. The second change is to the defrag experience. They're making a few changes to optimize drives. So if we go to Settings, System, Storage, scroll down and click on Optimize Drives here. The first thing they've added is an advanced view. Unfortunately, they're just getting this working, up and running. So although the checkbox is here, no differences appear when you click it. That's kind of an interesting update, don't you think? The second is listing more details under current status. For example, partition type not supported, or file system not supported. You can press F5 to refresh. And that's it for the changes in Windows 10 build 20241. Thank you for watching. This has been another Spectacularly episode.